This exercise is called the elevated push-up. So we're gonna have your feet on top of a box, a chair, couch, what have you, and you're gonna perform a push-up. So I'm gonna get in a push-up position, and my feet on top of the box here. I'm gonna keep my hands underneath my shoulders, abs braced. I'm gonna lower my chest towards the floor, come up nice and tall, and don't let your hips sag throughout that movement, alrighty? A couple things to think about in that movement. Don't let your hips sag, so keep your abs braced throughout the movement. Try and keep your elbows relatively closer to your ribs. If you're double jointed, that's a little bit different, but for most people, elbows in is a lot more successful for their shoulders. And then also try and keep a comfortable tempo. Don't go too fast. Also, whenever you go down, keep your chin tucked. Don't let your head lean forward like that, because that's gonna put more pressure on your neck. So again, this is how you perform an elevated push-up.